Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Bitboy reveals Shiba Inu, the creator's Shib owners have to see this video. Shib news right now. As the much-awaited Shibarium code made its Layer 2 network beta version available, the controversy surrounding the code base of the upcoming Shibarium blockchain caused Shiba Inu to fall 10% during the past day. A BED is a blockchain that mimics actual business processes. On top of Layer 1 protocols, the testnet, a collection of Layer 2 off-chain technologies, is created to ease scale and data constraints. Following the Thursday night Shibarium coding problem, the value of Shiba Inu coins decreased. We will discuss Bitboy, the founder who is a Shiba Inu, in this video. Shib owners have to see this video. Shib news right now. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. The anticipation for the appearance waned on Thursday as Steve, a well-known Shiba Inu Discord user, expressed some worry. Steve said that the multisig account was not entirely managed by distinct parties and that the Rinia blockchain, which was already in existence, shared the same chain ID with the Shibarium beta testnet. A member of the community claimed that it seemed as though Shibarium had taken the Rinia testnet Genesis file and changed the name, but neglected to change the chain ID. The same chain ID, 917, is used by both the Shibarium and Rinia testnet chains. Users of Discord rapidly offered explanations for the resemblance, but some of them panicked and sold the token, driving down its price by 10%. The developers of the Shibarium chain have a much nicer response. Hidea, one of the developers, tweeted that the chain IDs for 417 alpha, 517 staging, and 917 prepod beta were chosen at random. Additionally, none of these chains are listed anywhere. I made a mistake at that point by not double-checking the date the puppy network was created. The beta network will shortly be redeploying a brand new version with a new chain ID, according to a tweet from Cal Diaria. The Shiba Inu meme has generated debate on the development team's transparency. Tropheus claims that a member of the metaverse team working on Shibarium was not informed of any fresh information. Shitoshi Kusama, the head developer of Shibarium, is alleged to have fired Tropheus. Another team member, however, asserts that this is incorrect. Shitoshi allegedly misled the entire staff and prohibited communication, according to Tropheus. Despite having strong fundamentals, Shiba Inu may face further declines in the days ahead, which would have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market. Investors may wish to look elsewhere for large gains as a number of recent cryptocurrencies and pre-sale tokens now exhibit some real promise. The price trajectory for Shib can be estimated using the market value to realized value ratio. The information below shows that most Shib cryptocurrency buyers within the previous 30 days would lose 15% if they opted to sell today. Shib holders are free to keep selling until the price drops to $95, or a loss of almost 22%, based on previous buying and selling patterns. The next significant rebound point at the 35% loss line, at $0.0852, may see further falls. If this does not include Shibarium, the Shiba Inu Money's Layer 2 substitute has drawn criticism for purportedly being a clone, upsetting the neighborhood. In response to the current debate about Shibarium's code, Steve, a member of the Shiba Inu growth team, made the accusation after he noticed that the testnets for Rinia and Shibarium shared the same chain ID. Ben Armstrong, commonly known as Bitboy Crypto, a well-known crypto YouTuber, promised on Twitter that he will soon reveal Satoshi Kazama's name. Armstrong seemed to be hearing a message directly from the originator. The Shiba Inu ecosystem and the Shib cryptocurrency were founded by Satoshi Kazama. He mentioned Bitboy Crypto's live in a recent tweet and claimed to have seen the stream. Armstrong ignored Kusama and ignored everyone else, even if he said nothing significant about Shib. He went on to remark that since it was a waste of time, he would quit taking part. In addition, he asked Armstrong to resign because he had a legitimate quarrel with Armstrong, and he didn't want to stir up any controversy. Shiba Inu's principal developer, Satoshi Kazama, recently announced a new website and logo for Shib the Metaverse. The Wagmi Temple Alpha preview is available on the website, enabling supporters to easily buy Metaverse lands during the initial land auction phase. Today, Kazama made this announcement on his official Twitter account and asked the public for feedback on the most recent development. The Wagmi Temple Alpha flyover trailer, which gives a peek of the upcoming Metaverse environment, may be viewed when browsing the website. There is also the option to purchase Metaverse properties. In the 112-second Wagmi Temple video, a serene landscape decorated with lush vegetation, imposing mountains, crystal-clear lakes, and Japanese-style temples is highlighted. The use of the Unreal Engine is evident in the gorgeous graphics. However, purchasing land requires the integration of a Metam wallet. More wallet options have been requested by some users as part of the diversification. Notably, users must lock up their DOJ Killer or Shiboshi tokens for the first 2 phases of the early sale phase in addition to needing Ethereum to bid on or buy land. There are 3 major stages in the initial sales phase: public sales, holder events, and bid events. During the 3-day bid event, participants can place bids on Metaverse lands. Users have the opportunity to reserve the first batch of land exclusively during this event. Participants who were unable to mint lands in the bid event will have the opportunity to do so during the holders event, which will run 7 days. Land will be offered in this situation at fixed prices, thus auction-style bidding won't be necessary. It should be noted that only leash and Shiboshi holders are eligible to participate in the bid and holder activities. The third and last stage of the original land sale phase is the public sale, which is open to everyone without any limits or conditions. The public auction does not require users to hold or lock leashes or Shiboshis, in contrast to the bid and holder events. For those who are interested, this level offers an open opportunity to purchase Metaverse lands. Shiba Inu's chief developer Satoshi Kazama has now characterized every member of the community as a Shiba Inu defense breed in response to an intensifying FUD campaign that has been waged against the project. The label emphasizes the importance of each community member contributing to the defense of the Shiba Inu project against planned misinformation. The organized FUD campaign crept into the Shiba Inu community, as the drama played out following rumors that the Shibarium code is a copy of the current code on the Renia blockchain. In the midst of the propaganda, Kazama has been urging community residents to stand together, highlighting the crucial importance of their support for the project. Kazama has used his Twitter biography, which he constantly alters to make important points, to effectively express this message to the community. In one occasion, Kazama stressed the significance of dedication to the project's goals, saying, "If you fly the Shib flag, it shouldn't be reversible." This suggests that Shiba Inu community members should continue to be steadfast in their support of the project's objectives. The Shiba Inu community now shares responsibility for the duties that were previously only allocated to the original defense breed because Kusama has revealed that he now believes every Shiba Inu to be a part of the Shiba Inu defense breed. You are the new breed of protective people. The defense breed was entrusted with the duty of protecting the Shib ecosystem by examining Shib-related projects, dispelling untrue rumors, and informing community members and the general public of factual and important information, among other duties. The defense breed was initially made up of 12 members of the Shiba Inu community. The defense breed were disbanded because their remarkable efforts were no longer limited to a defense team, Kusama said in the 2nd chapter of the Shibarium blog series. He also commended their accomplishments. Shiba Inu developers have responded to the situation with the Renia code propaganda after securing a number of partner Shibs for the Shiba Inu project with remarkable success. The Renia developer has confirmed that the Shibarium team did not copy the Renia code but only used the same chain ID. Despite the explanation and attempts to make things right, Kusama's recent designation of every member of the community as a defense breed emphasizes the necessity for each person to meticulously examine any speculative utterances in the future and actively participate in refuting untrue rumors about the project. The effectiveness of the community's work and the preservation of its integrity depend on this cooperative effort. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.